Sana magtuloy-tuloy na ang init dito sa Coron para masarap naman mag-island hopping mamaya. Here's our room. Nagfa-fog siya dahil galing kaming aircon. Pupunta na kami ng restaurant. Ayan. This is the pool area of Tag Resort. Tapos nandun yung kanilang restaurant. So pupunta tayo doon for breakfast. Morning.
Toast. Bread. So their food is pork cuisine. Then chicken franks of green. And curry. Canton Giselle. And dog breast. Preferred banggit. Roasted herbs, potato. Exploring Tag Resort. Garo. So, lain-lain gali.
Duha sa division.
Okay.
Let's explore
Tag.
Tag Resort. The other side of Tag Resort. Ay, dami pa din.
Ooh.
So guys, ito yung likod na ng Tag Resort. Sobrang lawak pala niya guys. Ayan o.
Evacuation Assembly Area.
Ah, nice.
So,
Tapos daw, kasi parang yung tag is eco-friendly din. So, yung kanilang mga lalagyan, recyclable materials, yung mga shampoo, yung mga lalagyan ng lotion. Grabe yung aking cameraman. Ito, taka lang dito, tingnan mo. Nag-grow din sila ng mga vegetables nila. So, very, very good. Dito naman tayo sa kanilang pool area. Look at the flower. Ayun. Dito naman tayo guys sa kanilang pool area.
Oh.
Wow.
So, this is...
Ito, ibang side naman ng kanilang hotels and villas. Meron din siyang villas na paglabas mo, pool agad. So, this area, guys. Okay, turn around. Cameraman.
Ay, sorry.
Turn around, cameraman. Ayan. So, etong area, guys, mga villas nila is located mismo sa pool area. Or meron silang private pool.
No breakable items like glasses and dinnerware are allowed around the pool area. Your safety is our priority. Look at the flowers.
Let's go back to our own villa. Hindi lang kami naka-ikot kahapon kasi umuulan. Pero ngayon guys, ay, tingnan nyo, ayun. Wow. Ayan, bukid. Mountain. Ang ganda.
Ang ganda. Pwede ka na.
Overall, super ganda dito sa Tag Resort, guys. If you have inquiries, guys, you can message me. You can message me or their Facebook page. Tag Resort. Ganda ng bamboo. Gusto ko sa bahay ko. Sa bahay ko in the future, meron akong mga ganitong bamboo. Para lang siyang pang decor. Okay. Oh, nagawag oh. May ano siya oh. Meron siyang puso ng saging.
Din.
Ayan oh. Puso, yan. Puso ng saging.
Cute eh.
Yan. So, good morning guys. Bumalik lang kami ulit dito sa room kasi nga naghintay pa kami ng aming sundo for island hopping. 9 AM pa naman yon. And one thing that I like dito sa Tag Resort guys, their staff are very accommodating. Some of their things here sa hotel or sa resort is made of recyclable material. And then of course, the surroundings guys, grabe, ang relaxing and ang ganda-ganda. Surrounded ka by trees and plants. So if you want to get away from the hustle and bustle of the city, eto talaga yung pinaka magandang lugar na puntahan nyo dito sa Coron. Yun guys, if ever na gusto nyong mag-book dito sa Tag Resort, I will just link down below all the pages that you can contact.
For today po is Coron Super Ultimate Tour. We have 6 destinations po. So activities po natin ngayon is lahat po ng destination. Nasabi po natin snorkeling kasi po magaganda, may mga coral garden tayo. And then especially magaganda yung underwater rock formation po.
Going back to the boat, water for going up, wala simply going down. Yun lang po yung daan doon, one way lang po yun, okay? And the halfway, they have a building or viewpoint to sa favorite view. Kaya the Kayangan Go. That area is the picture taking. Okay po?
Ano yung picture taking? Kayangan?
Apo.
We are now at Kayangan Cave.
Swimming.
This is our first stop. Medyo
And then yung
umuulan
mga
lang.
ano po, yung mga
Ayan na si Charles.
na shoes, nandito po.
Dapat paiwan na lang ako sa mga iyak. Ha? Paiwan na lang ako sa mga iyak.
Where to?
We are now at Kayangan Lake. Another trekking.
Look at the fishes.
Another hike to conquer.
Ano nyo po yung
Ganda dito guys. Wow. This is so beautiful.
pwede po solo, pwede po tatlo kayo. So abot nyo lang po yung medyo kasi talaga. Recording!
Kayangan Lake ka, no?
Kayangan Lake po.
Kayangan.
Kayangan. Okay. How's the Kayangan Lake? What can you say about Kayangan Lake?
Oh, what can you say about the tour? Awesome! Oh, amazing! Awesome! Amazing! Beautiful!
Yeah, welcome to Kayangan Lake.
Nice to be back here. I have to be back here, Lake. Where'd you come from? Where'd you come from? Lithuania. Oh no, see me circle, man.
Yan.
Barracuda Lake. There you go. Wow. Mas nakunin siya no? Mas lapad siya. Dira lang. Amo na ni.
Matibay yan, ma'am.
Oh, since ano.
Ito yung set niya, ma'am.
Ay, okay.
Asset.
Pwede din kung gusto mo ng price.
Yung ano lang, hikaw na lang.
Pero ganito sa mga malalim.
Grabe ba? Oh my gosh.
Okay, you good. You good.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh, sorry.
Amo na ang sakaan, amo ni Listo. Correction.
Good morning guys, so it's already 8:17 in the morning of July 22 and I'm taking over the vlog. So we're here in the Francisco B. Reyes Airport in Palawan, Coron. So you have to check in 45 minutes early before your boarding because I think the flight is quite early. So here is my wife. So kahapon guys, so hindi na kami kagabi nag-vlog kasi nagpahinga na. Napagod sa ngayon sa tour. Nilagnat. Kumain at natulog. Yan. We're heading straight to Cebu. Ang ilong ko kahulag-hulag. Kalait ba? So we're heading straight to Cebu. Around before 12. Before 12 is our flight.
Pupunta na kami ng Cebu.
Punta na kami ng Cebu. So ano pa masasabi mo sa tour
Maliit
natin?
yung kanilang airport. Ano to?
Ayan o. Ganyang kaliit yung kanyang airport. Yun. So nag-check-in na. Doon sa boarding, medyo maraming waiting. Ayun nga. Ayun. So, I'll see you guys later in Cebu. So, we're boarding in a while. Okay na. So, ayan guys. Yan ata yung sasakyan namin. Philippine Airlines. Ano lang siya. Maliit lang. Ayan guys. Propeller lang yung sasakyan namin. Philippine Airlines. So, lahat ng airplane dito maliliit lang. Hindi kasi yung runway ata medyo maliit lang. Kaya hindi kaya yung mga malalaking sasakyan. Airplanes, ganun. Ito yung boarding nila. Maliliit lang. Hindi siya ganun kalaki. Pero may mga ano dito, souvenir shop. Coffee where you can buy a lot of foods or drinks. So we're boarding. Okay. We're boarding now.
Bye, Caron.
Bye, Caron. See you again. So, ganun lang siya guys. Kaliit. Oh, yun oh.